Hey guys, Borah here. Thank you so much for being here. And on this channel, we talk about how to build a long-term, sustainable, profitable, and unshakable business online. And today, I'm going to tell you how you can 2 times to 5 times your affiliate sales using a simple method that I'm going to show you right now. And if you're coming here for the first time, make sure you go below this video, click on the red button, subscribe to my channel, because I put out a lot of great videos about online marketing, affiliate marketing very regularly. And if you're looking for a free course that can help you jumpstart your affiliate marketing, then again in the description you'll find a link to a free course where I teach you how I made over $10,000 with ClickFunnels without promoting it directly. So let's get started about how to 2 times to 5 times your affiliate sales. I have been using a tool called Commission Guerrilla for the last 2 years now. I used to use a different tool, I think called Lead Pages before that. But since I have started using Commission Guerrilla, it has been really easy, and this had made me a lot of sales. And there is no offer that I promote without using this tool. So what happens, a lot of people, I see a lot of people, a lot of affiliates, they claim that they have tried everything, but they are not able to make good conversions on their affiliate sales. They are not able to make enough sales, and the reason truly is because when you go and pick up a product from Zvezu or Warrior Plus or anywhere, there are like hundreds or more than 100 affiliates who are promoting the same offer, and you really need to stand out. You need to be different from rest of the people. So when everyone is promoting the same offer, and how you can be different from those guys is by providing some high quality offers, by providing some high quality bonuses which are different from all these all other people. But a lot of guys, they are lazy. They don't try to create these bonus pages, and out of those affiliates there will be a lot of people who will be lazy as well. But the affiliates who are crushing it, the affiliates who are on the top of the leaderboards, all those people, if you notice one common thing in themselves, that they will be providing a lot of high quality and related bonus. And that's the same thing I want you to do. And this is a tool that I use, that I personally use, a lot of other affiliates use, and that you can use to increase your affiliate sales. So let me give you a walkthrough of the software. How does it work? This is all created just for bonuses. It creates your bonus pages. It is a bonus library which is inbuilt. They have their own bonuses, and you can add your own bonuses that you can use, and they automatically build the download pages, the bonus pages, and the delivery pages. Just let me give you an example of the recent promotion I did. I promoted an offer called 10x hostings from my friend Jai Sharma. I think I made around 39 sales, and that when I was having some autoresponder problems, but I still make decent income, around $1,300 in 4 to 5 days of promo. And one of the previous promo I remember when I made around like $7,000 to $8,000. But so let me show you the bonus page I had created for this. So this is one of the email that I had sent. So what I do whenever I send an email, I have my usual affiliate link, but I also have a link to my bonus page, that these are the bonuses that I am going to give you if you buy from my link. So let me show you my bonus page for 10x hosting. Okay, so since I think the timer has ran out, because it's going directly to the so let me just open the bonus page and show you how does it how easy this is. I'm just going to remove the timer so I can show you the bonus page. How does it look? So let me just remove the timer here, delete it, save. And now when we go to our bonus page, we'll be able to see exactly how the bonus page looks. So I have a I think I'll just have to change the timer settings. Okay, so this is the bonus page. So this page is just for the friends of Gaurab, Borah, and this is I have a bar at the top. these bonus packages is going to are limited for just for 50 buyers. And so again, I have some details about the offer, because this page I sent this to my subscribers like one day before the launch or few hours before the launch, so they can go through the page, they can go through the offer, they can go through the demo, and make the mind up even before the launch is live. And then I have all the bonuses listed here. I think I was giving a lot of bonuses, like 20 bonuses, and adding all these took me just like 20-25 minutes. And a lot of the affiliates don't do this hard work, and that's why they don't make a lot of sales. And if you want to make money, you need to put in some extra effort. And here is how to claim your bonuses. Then here's my support email, and that's a pretty decent bonus page. I have been using this for the last 2 years, the same templates, and it's been working great for me. Okay, and again, editing this is really easy. For example, you see there are like 20 bonuses, so there are like 22 buttons, but I don't need to change the links for all. I can just go to page settings, enter my affiliate link, and all these buttons, 22 buttons, will get updated. And for example, if I need to add a bonus, for example, if I want to add one more bonus, let's say before that, I don't need to create all this. I can create these bonuses in my bonus library in the new bonus section, and they will be added to my bonus library. So I don't need to create these bonuses again and again. For example, let's say I want to add a new bonus here. I just click on this, click here, select all the bonuses from my bonus library. There are like hundreds of these, and just click on the select button and they will be added here directly. So so that adding those 20 bonuses were just like 5 minutes of work, maybe less than 5 minutes of work for me. And yeah, so this is how this worked. Then let me show you my bonus library to you. So these were like 30 bonuses that I got with the offer. I think 30 to 40 bonuses. I think I bought a upsale. Okay, I had done for you pack of 10, 25, and few of these I got inside the offer when I buy one of the upsale and the main commission Guerrilla. And then I have all the other bonuses that I have added to this bonus library that I can use anytime I want, so I don't need to look for new bonuses every time I'm promoting a new offer. Okay, so there are a lot of them. So I have created a lot of bonus pages using this software. As I told you, I have been using it from the last 2 years, and I think this had really helped me increase my affiliate commissions. And don't be a rookie, don't be a newbie. If you are really want to make more sales, if you want to 2x or 5x your affiliate sales, invest in the tool, create some bonus pages for yourself. And I think I have a bonus page for commission Guerrilla as well. So oh yeah, so if you go and buy commission Guerrilla from my affiliate link, my bonus page, I am going to give you all these bonuses. So it has been expired also, but what I am going to do is I am going to turn off the timer for this as well. And so if you want to get commission Guerrilla, then you can go to the description below this video and go to commission Guerrilla, pick up the offer, and your bonuses will be inside your ZVZoo members portal area. And if you don't find that, just email me or at support@gaurab.com, and I will send you those bonuses. Okay, again I have to change the timer. Did you see? It's a great feature that your bonus page expires when the timers hit. So when you buy commission Guerrilla from my link, you are going to get all these cool bonuses for you. And one of the great bonuses is Surefire bonus library. So inside this is a site where there will be like hundreds of bonuses that you can use in your affiliate promotion. So you can add all these bonuses to your commission Guerrilla and use all these bonuses for your affiliate promotion. So what I will say that don't be lazy. These bonus pages are really easy to create. These are really fast to create, and if you just take your another 15-20 minutes from your life and to create a bonus page for every affiliate promotion you do, we're going to see a lot of extra commissions. And I highly recommend you to do that, because all the top affiliates, if you see, they are using bonus pages, and I do that. And I highly recommend you do that as well. So thank you so much. I hope that you really like this video, and if you like it, go below this video, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share, and I will see you again with another video in the next coming days. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe.